afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Beautiful evening. So we're gonna go cruise Woodward, but not before a quick wash. Car's a little dirty. It's honestly not too bad, but rained this week, so I want it to be perfect. And the first spot of the night is an SF90. And look, a Huracan coming right at us. What the heck? And an R8 that was just over there. Well, yeah, Evo. I said I wanted to see some cool stuff downtown, and well, we were about 30 seconds into our voyage, and wish fulfilled. I think we're just gonna do a quick loop and then be done. But he said he's parking right here. I don't know his game plan, but I'm in the middle of the intersection, so I'm just gonna wait for homeboy. I can't go around now. I don't really know his plan of attack here. He can't back in. I think he gave up. Lady's getting out to move a spot for the valet, it looks like. That makes sense. Whoa, we got a little 488. Very cool. All right. When you have an SF90, you can kind of just park wherever you want and take up traffic however you want. I think it's part of the experience. There's a 600 LT that we've seen at Cars and Coffee down here. Oh, it sounds good. Look at that unit. That thing is so sweet. I think we're just gonna sit here for a second and watch cars because it's a fun thing to do. We got a little parking spot right up front, and it's a beautiful day. 74 and sunny. Clear skies. We got a dude ripping a moped. Yeah. I'm in love. Come back. A lot going on. It is. It's a nice Friday night, so everybody's kind of out and about. A lot of stuff going on. Obviously, downtown Birmingham, there's always going to be fun stuff, but it's a beautiful summer Friday night. Even more so. Didn't even hear that Evo. Must have it in comfort mode. The Strata, as they call it. GTR with no plate. I was looking at GTR prices because it's fun to window shop. Those things are still like 100 to 110,000 for like a 2017. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the one thing I didn't tell you guys is Evan just got a new car and is taking it out to its first Cars and Coffee event under his ownership. And that is going to be happening in about 5 minutes. We are going to Shinola Cars and Coffee. I don't know if that's the event title. Shinola's hosting a little car thing they do, and it looks really cool. We're rolling up about 24 minutes into the event because had a little haircut action downtown. So we're gonna see what's up, see what's there. Looks like some fun cars based on what Evan Snapchatted me. So we'll see what's going on. Keep it a big surprise, a big reveal here in a second. First one of these I've seen in person. It's so sick. Oh my god. And what's funny is it's like an off-road build, but the ride height is still like low. That's great. So this is just like the auxiliary lot. We got a Urus Performante. Oh, that color is sweet too. That's car I want. GT3 RS, GT3. This is a sweet event. Bless you. All right, here it is. Evan's new car. Woo! So this has like the mocha interior, which is so sick. PDK, it's got the paddles, 997. That's beautiful. So proud of the young lad. I already know he is planning on a little paint correction. That's beautiful. We got Stan's car, and then the Aston Martin we saw yesterday on Woodward. We've got the other off-road machine. I'll take a closer look at that.
Oh, rich bitch!
I like the gold badging and like the interior. You can tell. I haven't looked at it closely, but yeah. Wow.
And there's a 911R.
I know. Literally, the craziest cars parked right up. Jeez. Dude, this thing's clean too. It's got front end PPF. Nice.
Even 80,000 miles where they've really taken a good chance. This is 76. Oh, is it? I just crossed 76 yesterday. Okay. That's every single service record on this car was in one Porsche dealership. Yeah. Which gives you a huge. I was like, that dealership, the guy who sold me this car saw it get sold.
This does not look like a 14-year-old car. That's beautiful. It looks like one of those old leather baseballs.
Yeah.
That's so sweet. Take a peek in here. This looks like a new car.
It's in crazy condition.
Wow.
That's why I wanted it. I was like, the condition.
Well, back seats there. You can fit.
Yeah, you can fit Jets back there. You want to go to the New York Rally in this one?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh my God.
Back seats look like a Maybach.
Right. There is a Maybach back there. There's a little cappuccino one. Really?
And the engine's so clean.
Do you want to introduce the people to what this thing is?
Sure.
A little reveal?
Yeah.
This is what we sold the S5 for, man.
Yep. Sold the S5 in September. It's a 2010 Carrera 4S, 3.8 liter, PDK, Sport Chrono. It's like pretty much my childhood dream car.
Wow.
So.
Love the red. Love the red.
Drove 700 miles from Philly yesterday to here.
That's the best. Take it through a little wash this morning.
Yeah, we took it through the wash.
Nice.
It ripped. It rips on the highway.
Yeah, take a gander over here.
Wow. It's pretty clean.
You gonna work on that thing yourself?
Yeah.
In the shop?
Yep. Well, yeah, I'm gonna do the carbon air box here.
Ooh.
The fat speed carbon air box. The induction sound will be nice. And
exhaust?
A rear center delete soon. Someday I'll do headers, but it's like 3,000.
Sorry, I got distracted.
It's kind of sick. It's like the tan interior.
Whoa.
Yeah. Oh, that's aventurine green. That looks
wow.
sick. I like that a lot. Yeah. That's, I like that a lot. It's a sick color. That color fucks.
Wow.
With the old big badges. Yeah, it's a standard color too.
That's
good. It's a sick piece on this.
He did. He just threw these wheels on.
It's a sick
Probably
color.
helps it sell quicker and
Is
sell
this one of
ease.
20 in this color?
I think less. It was like one of, or in North America, like one of single digits. I'm almost positive.
The fitment is so disgusting.
It's so nice, dude.
You come with Ryan?
This car is for sale if anybody's interested in an F80. And then a little closer look at the one we saw yesterday on Woodward. This thing is nice. I love this color. And then we've got that big old hoss over there. Huh. This is a 987.
I do like these two.
Big wing.
These make more money. This is really hell.
Dude, this is the coolest 987 I think I've ever
The
seen.
wheels are insane.
Yeah. Jeez. Yeah. Look at the paint. Look at the flake.
Look at the brakes, dude. They have actual like carbon fiber right there. You can see it has a carbon fiber strip on the inside. What? Never even seen that.
Wow.
Oh, carbon fiber strip. Oh.
Wow. The red interior. That's nuts. So this is the new Emira. I like how this looks.
Yeah, it's cool.
I would sell a kidney for that car right there. So Chad wrapped the Cybertruck, this crazy green color. Looks like a spaceship. So we got two Cybertrucks here. One wrapped, the other not. Interesting. Stan's car gets so much love. See ya. What are the odds I just mentioned what one of those old leather baseballs looks like? Compared it to Evan's stitching. Now we get a real comparison. That's hilarious. Well, that was super cool. We saw a lot of fun cars. A lot of the same ones that were at other events, but the out of office garage is always just like coming through with cool stuff. Porsches everywhere. Super cool. Speaking of super cool, check this out, Jessica. Look. Look what we just passed.
Oh, what?
Oh, we got another one up here. Some like Hummer
Oh,
style.
that?
Yeah.
That's nice.
Another one right there. 2 Cybertrucks. That was pretty cool. And then obviously Evan's new car, which is super cool. Got a 997.2 911. That's like Evan's childhood dream car. That's so cool. I feel like a proud dad. But we are on the way back to the crib. Probably gonna wrap up the video. Ladies and gentlemen, we are going on the rally on Thursday. That is the next big car thing that we have going on. So that obviously we'll make a few videos out of. They're always a fun time. We're going to Lake of the Ozarks in an R8 Spider. So if you guys are new to the channel, want to stick around, be notified when those videos go up. Make sure to hit subscribe, hit the notification bell, hit the like button for that algorithm. Until next time, ladies and gents, thanks so much for watching. We'll see you.